Today's breaking news. In the Philippines, a 7.8 magnitude earthquake has struck. Buildings collapsed like a house of cards. The earth shook, a big lesson for all. Magnitude 7.8. Place, Philippines. Day, Monday. Impact, massive. Destruction. A very scary news of destruction is coming from the southern part of the Philippines, Mindanao region. A very scary news of destruction is coming from the southern part of the Philippines, Mindanao region. On Monday morning, a very powerful and destructive earthquake of magnitude 7.8 struck here. Due to the strong tremors of the earthquake, many high-rise buildings, shopping malls and houses collapsed like a pack of cards. Cars parked on the roads got buried under the rubble, and there is chaos everywhere. Immediately after this earthquake, the Philippine authorities have issued a high tsunami alert for coastal areas. People have been advised to move to safe places at higher altitudes immediately. There is a possibility of high waves of 1 to 3 meters in the sea. The situation is very serious. Stay safe, stay alert and share this information. Like, comment, subscribe for more news and learning. Thank you for watching.